Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, A Happier Me. In today's video, I will be teaching you how to make this simple, cheesy garlic bread toast. And this is my daughter's personal favorite. I'm using whole wheat bread for this video and homemade garlic butter and mozzarella cheese. So without any further delay, let's get straight into the video. This channel, A Happier Me, is truly making me a happier person. By sharing a lot of my recipes, my ideas, my tips, I feel that I am actually experiencing a lot of happiness, a lot of positivity, a lot of self-development and growth, because anytime you're trying to teach someone, you have to be an expert to do that, right? So if I want to teach something, I want to make sure that I have tried it before and it really works. Only then I will put it in a video. My motto is sharing is caring. If I believe there is something that can benefit my friends, my viewers, I love to do that. And through my channel, this is what exactly I'm able to achieve. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. Share it with anyone who would be interested in knowing about kitchen tips, recipes, health, fitness, fashion, personal finance, home organization, and many other interesting topics. If you enjoyed today's video, please give a thumbs up to my channel. It means a lot every time you do that. And I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, stay healthy, take care, and don't forget to smile. Bye.